Hey guys, Eagle Game here, daily game release and more. And today we're gonna be playing Dog Sim online. And after that we're doing online, we're gonna doing single player because we're gonna be doing a family hunt. Okay, this we're gonna kill is gonna be hold up. Right now we're gonna kill a dog. I don't know what it's called. A bear? Dum dum. Alright guys, let's get life spike in here. You know what life spike is? It's when you count to go and you go 3, 2, 1. You real life spike. Smash the like button. Smash the subscribe button. And oh my god. And smash the like button. Smash the subscribe button. Share this video. It's a good way to have fun. It's a good way to get tons of likes in a short period of time. And it's a good way to and it's a good support for this video. What was this cut you speak of?
Me, just like they did Boo. Boo! Fuck everybody!
What has happened?
It's good to finally be here. You look terrible. And your voice sounds worse. Yeah. What are you talking about? My voice is as smooth as silk. Must have been rough out there. Rough? Yeah, it was rough, all right. That's why I look terrible. My voice sounds like caca. I want you to run along and wish me good. Here, hold this for a second. How dare you! If anyone should apologize, it's him. To me. For... Well, the silent treatment. Two can play that game. Wait, I was fine before I met you. Sure, I was time in the hood of cars. And all because of... Doing
Can you stop?
One seriously messed up day. That's better. Good to be myself again. Time to hit the road. Doug?
Oh, I took this hunting trip. We're gonna start hunt. First thing on the list is to kill 4 foxes.
We're family. Don't lie so you would help me safe.
Boom, right. Okay, guys. Well, we killed 1 fox. Now we have to find 2 more fox, and as you can see, Simba has leveled up. Can I eat it? Oh wow. This is a boy, yeah. Simba. Then the girl's gonna be Kiara. They're coming.
New Lego Star Wars The Force Awakens sets. You can build the X-Wing and save the droid. Open the wings and blast into action. Watch out, it's the evil Kylo Ren.
Can't go up there. Matter of fact, I saw finding deers. We're gonna find the deers until. Actually, we're gonna cancel the trip. Yes, we're gonna. Right now, we're gonna go to Right now, we're gonna switch to multiplayer.
With Kellogg's Nightglow decals, take an epic adventure just like Maui and Moana. Find one in special boxes of Fruit Loops and has 2 skill settings and stunts on command. The Helix Rainbow, each sold separately, batteries not included.
No,
Air Hogs.
I don't know what. Oh yeah, that's gonna end this video. Wait, actually nope. I'm gonna play Simba. It's the light spike here. Oh, if you don't know what light spike is, when you count, you go 3, 2, and light spike, max the subscribe button. It's a good way to have fun. It's a good way to get tons of likes and subscribers in a short period of time. And it's a good support for this video. So let's start in 3, 2, 1. Like spike, boom, baby. There you go.
I can do this. The new air marker sprayer from Crayola with cool colors, stencils, and effects. It'll give you the
I guess I'm at the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed it. And please leave likes and subscriptions.